Yo, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to open an Instagram account without a phone number. Because, let's be real, sometimes you need a secret account for reasons. No judgment here. Step 1. Get a Gmail account. First, you need a Gmail account. If you don't have one, check out my other video where I show you how to make one without a phone number. Gotta keep things on the down low, right? Step 2. Create your double life. Open Instagram, click Create New Account, and then sign up with email. Forget that phone number nonsense, you're going incognito. Step 3. Confirm and set up. Enter your Gmail, grab the confirmation code from your inbox, and punch it in. Then create a strong password. Not password 123, maybe something inspired by your late-night browsing habits. Just saying. Step 4. Skip the profile pic. Or not. Set your username, make it spicy, and decide whether you want a profile pic or to stay as mysterious as your browser history. And that's it. You've got an Instagram account, no phone number required. Now you can stalk, post, and like all you want without anyone finding out. Unless they do. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.